Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In real analysis, I'm going to prove Jordan decomposition theorem. So, a statement of this theorem says that a function of bounded variation is expressible as a difference of two monotonic increasing function. Okay, and yeah, another statement of this theorem is f is a function of bounded variation, then there exists a monotonic increasing function px and qx. I am taking just px and qx. You can take anything fx and gx as well on closed interval ab, such that for x which is lie in interval a and b, so fx is equals to px minus qx, which is a monotonic increasing function as I told you, and it is a variation function x is equals to px plus qx. So let's prove the theorem. First of all, what we need to do is px. What is the px? In the previous session, you understood that px is equals to fx plus v of over fx, which is a variational function, by 2. What is that? Px is a positive function, so we can, and f is also a bounded interval, closed interval, bounded function on closed interval ab. So px, we can write that fx plus px by 2, which is a positive part. You can write that here is a positive part for your understanding, and qx, which is a negative part, so it is the reverse of this fx minus fx upon 2. You can write just the negative of this, so it is a negative part. Okay, so for your understanding you can write down here. Okay, so let's understand the proof of this theorem says that. So first of all, we have to take two element in closed interval ab. So let's take x1 and x2. So let x1 and x2 be any 2 point. Please watch till the end, then you will be understand how to prove this theorem. Very easy way to point in closed interval ab, and x1, which is also, you have to know that ki x1 is less than or equal x2, which is a monotonic function, so it is in increasing order. Then px2 minus px1 is equal to what? Px2 minus px1. We have px here and qx here, so what we have to do that px2 हमें यहाँ से फाइंड करना है. सो px2 माइनस px1 कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? f of x2 प्लस वेरिएशनल फंक्शन x2 बाई 2 माइनस f of x1 प्लस वेरिएशनल फंक्शन x1 upon 2. Okay, this is our px2 minus px1. In the same way, I have to solve this. First of all, 1 by 2 you can take out, बाहर ले लीजिए, v over fx 2 minus v of over fx1 and plus half what? fx2 minus fx1. fx2 minus fx1 minus sign is here, fx1. So in this way you can write that. And what is that? V of variational function x2 minus variational function x1, which is become 1 upon 2 variational function. You can write this is in a variational function x1 comma x2. Okay, you can write in this way, and it is in the same way come out fx2 minus variational function fx2 minus fx1. Okay, so you can say that this is the first equation. What you have got? px2 minus p of x1. Okay, so let's solve qx2 minus qx1 in the same way. But first you have to write down here is, what you have to write down here is variational. As you see that the variational function of x2 x1 x2 and plus variational function x2 minus x1, but you can write here, but variational function x1 x2 is greater or equal of mod fx2 minus fx1, which is a positive, okay, which is a positive, so it is greater than or equal difference of two functions. So this implies p of x2 minus p of x1 is greater or equal 0. Okay, it means that is p of x2 is greater or equal p of x1. That is, we have to prove firstly कि p of x2 is greater than p of x1, because we have to हमने क्या माना था, हमने सपोज किया था कि x1 is less than or equal to x2, means x2 is greater than ना, it is a monotonic function, so p of x2 is greater than होगा p of x1 से. So this is the first that we have shows here. Okay, we have can do the star. Let's as you see here कि p is a monotonic function. Okay, you can write that p is a monotonic function. Let's find out q of x2 minus q of x1 is equals to variational function x2. In the same way, just I take out the values of px and qx. So px से हमने पहली वैल्यू ली थी, अब हम qx से ले रहे हैं, तो वेरिएशनल फंक्शन x2 माइनस वेरिएशनल फंक्शन माइनस fx होगा यहाँ पे fx2 अपॉन 2 माइनस वेरिएशनल फंक्शन x1 माइनस f ऑफ x1 अपॉन 2. ओके, 1/2 बाहर ले लेंगे, वेरिएशनल फंक्शन x2 माइनस वेरिएशनल फंक्शन x1 माइनस हाफ where f of x2 minus f of x1. What we have got here, 1/2 variational function x1 x2 and minus f of x2 minus f of x2 minus x1. Okay, this is q of x2 minus q of x1. Okay, so what we have got here कि x1 x2 is greater or equal than mod of x2 minus fx1. Okay, it means that q of x2 minus q of x1 is greater or equal than 0. q of x2, that is q of x2 is greater or equal than q of x1. Okay, we have got the second equation as well. And what we have to do next here is, as we shown that कि q of x2 is greater or equal than q of x1, this is our second star. So here we have got कि q is a monotonic increase function. Monotonic increasing function. So here q is monotonic function and p is monotonic function, and we can write out the difference of two monotonic function है ना. फंक्शन को हम क्या दो डिफरेंस मोनोटॉनिक फंक्शन इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन के रूप में लिख सकते हैं, हमें ये दिखाना है. ठीक है, तो शो दैट, लेट्स सी हाउ टू शो इट. फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू दैट, टेक अ पार्टीशन. सो टेक पार्टीशन, चूज x0 x1 x2 dot xi minus 1 xi up to xn. Okay, where xn is b and x0 is our a. So this is our partition on closed interval ab. Okay, इस closed interval के अंदर हमने एक partition choose करा है. This is our partition, and now we have to claim, what we have to claim is function belongs to bounded variation on closed interval a comma b. Okay, function हमारा bounded variation है इस closed interval ab के अंदर. So कंसीडर हमने सबसे पहले क्या लेना, हमें बाउंडेड वेरिएशन की कंडीशन लेनी पड़ेगी. तो बाउंडेड वेरिएशन के लिए क्या लेते हैं, सिग्मेशन i इज इक्वल्स टू 1 to n mod of f x i माइनस f of x i माइनस 1. दिस इज अवर बाउंडेड वेरिएशन फंक्शन का सुप्रीमम लेते हैं और इसका लेते हैं. तो पहले हमने ये सॉल्व करना है, फिर इसका सुप्रीमम ले लेंगे और वो लेस देन इन्फिनिटी आ जाएगा. दैट मीन्स इट इज़ फाइनाइट एंड इज अ बाउंडेड वेरिएशन ऑन क्लोज्ड इंटरवल a b. वी हैव टू शो दैट दिस थिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक कंसिडर दिस फंक्शन एंड व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज एफ एक्स आई की जगह पे हमें क्या रखना पड़ेगा, पी ऑफ एक्स वन माइनस क्यू एफ एक्स वन, और हेयर पी ऑफ एक्स आई माइनस वन माइनस क्यू एफ एक्स आई माइनस वन. So put here sigma is equals to 1 to infinity mod p of xi minus q of xi minus p of xi minus 1 minus q of xi minus 1. Okay, we have to show this. हमें एफ एक्स आई और एफ एक्स आई माइनस वन की जगह पे पी ऑफ एक्स आई माइनस क्यू एक्स आई माइनस एक्स आई, एंड इसकी जगह पे हमने पी एक्स आई माइनस वन क्यू एक्स आई माइनस वन रख दिया, पी ऑफ एक्स आई और क्यू एक्स आई के डिफरेंसेस के रूप में, जैसे हमने देखा था. नेक्स्ट चलते हैं, इसको हम कैसे शो करेंगे. आई विल शो यू टू सॉल्व दिस समेशन आई इज इक्वल्स टू 1 to n mod of p of xi minus p of xi minus 1, which is xi, okay, write down clearly, minus q of xi minus q of xi minus 1. Now what we have to do that, take these a mod, so it is a less than or equal individual mods. Summation I is equals to 1 to n p of xi minus p of xi minus 1 plus q of xi minus q of xi minus 1. Okay, take summation over both side, so we can write that sigma I is equals to 1 to n xi minus p of xi minus 1 plus summation I is equals to 1 to n q of xi minus q of xi minus 1. All right, now what we have to do that is p of xi is greater or equal than p of xi minus 1, okay, and q of xi is greater or equal than q of xi minus 1, because this is monotonic function, we know that. What we have to apply is over here is, here you can write that p of xn minus, जब आप x1 यहाँ पे अपनी वैल्यू पुट करनी है, समेशन इसका इक्वल टू 1 to n पे, तो p ऑफ x1 मिलेगा माइनस p ऑफ x नॉट मिलेगा, सो p ऑफ x2 माइनस p ऑफ x1, ऐसे ही q ऑफ x1 माइनस q ऑफ x नॉट प्लस q ऑफ x1 q ऑफ x2 minus q of x1. So these kind of function you have to find, and then what we have to do that is, you find at the last xn minus p of x naught plus q of xn minus q of x naught, you find. Okay, so you find this term and this term. Now what we have to do is, you can say that xn, मैंने आपको बताया था पार्टीशन में xn क्या था, b हमारा था, ठीक है, तो p of b minus p of a plus q of b minus q of a. Okay, you find this term and this term. अब हेंस आपने दिखा दिया कि इन दोनों के डिफरेंस में हम लिख सकते हैं इन दोनों फंक्शंस को, पार्टीशंस को. अब आप कह सकते हो कि जो हमारा समेशन आई इज इक्वल्स टू 1 to n एफ एक्स आई माइनस, जो हमने कंसीडर करा था, माइनस एफ एक्स आई माइनस 1 इज लेस देन आर इक्वल टू पी ऑफ बी माइनस पी ऑफ ए प्लस क्यू ऑफ बी माइनस क्यू ऑफ ए. Okay, so it is the less than equal to this term. Now here what you have to do, take a supremum of this, because our bounded function definition is says that supremum of over p summation I is equals to 1 to n fxi minus fxi minus 1 is less than or equal. Here you can write that this statement is less than this statement. Okay, less than or equal this statement. So it means pb minus pa, don't take a mod, qb minus qa. Okay, so you can say that this is our function of bounded variation. Okay, so v of f closed interval ab, you can write this symbol, use this symbol to represent that it is less than plus infinity, It means that this is a less than plus infinity. It means that this is less than this statement. By this is it is a finite. It means that if it is less than infinity means that what is it is finite, na? So you can get that this is a finite. Now you can say that hence f belongs to bounded variation on closed interval AB. Here you can prove this by this easy way. So I hope this theorem you will understand each and every steps. If you have any queries or any question regarding this, so you can comment me. I will reply it as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching us, and support me, subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel, and press the bell icon as well so I can give you update soon. So thank you so much for guys watching us.